Hi, I'm Migs Bustos and I'll be playing What to Say. Tiki Patrol. That was like taken in one of the one of the episodes. Pero siguro ang una kong reaction dito was TV Patrol was a product of the internet. 'Di ba? 2021, wala akong ginagawa ng wala, 'di ba? Because of some movements, right? And then, siguro, lumitaw yung pangalan ko nang hindi ko rin alam. And then, company noticed, I guess. But, at the same time, I expressed interest. I just let them know that I was still there. Kasi COVID yun eh. Everybody was still online, di ba? So, yung check-up mo lang was through Zoom, internet. So, nagparamdam lang ako sa now boss namin na si Francis. Check-in lang. Ayun, nagpa-audition sila. Bumuo sila ng tech segment ngayon. Kasi, ang alam ko, TV Patrol is hard news eh. At alam ko yung position ko sa sports. So, internally, alam na namin yun na hard news, soft news. Kapag makapunta ka talaga as main anchor, di ba? Para talagang dapat yung mga nag-hard news, di ba? I knew I was not in that line. Pero siguro, since nag-evolve ang content, so it was maybe an opportunity for management to create a tech segment pala. So, thankful po tayo sa opportunity.
Hindi to tears Ano to? Drops to sa ice. It is day 3 of community quarantine. All I can say, it's been tough. Coming into work can actually risk your life.
I think this was one of March yan, 2020. Wala pa mga mask nun. Naiyak ba ka nun? Hindi man ako naiyak. O nga no, naglagay lang ako ng Dry yung eyes ko niyan eh. Naglagay ako ng eye drops. Grabe pala yun, 5 years ago. Alala ko yung week na yan na lahat nag-i-impact na. Parang siyang movie. But I remember, buntis yung wife ko nun. But I had to work. So medyo praning kami. Praning talaga. Ano ba itong mangyari? Hindi mo alam itong mangyari. It was like one of the last days na nag-studio ako. Game time! Man! I would say one of the best times of my career, quote-unquote, was in that period, 2017, 2018, 2019. A sports fan that didn't take up journalism or broadcast never would have thought that I will be in this industry. And having a sports show is way beyond my wildest dreams. Napanood ko lang yung mga sports shows na napapanood ko sa TV. Tapos, to have your own is surreal. Second child! Yeah, AJ. That's Michael Alejandro M. Bustos. AJ ang kanyang palayaw is because I named him after my late best friend na si AJ. AJ passed away in 2021 after recovering from COVID due to a cardiac arrest. So si AJ isa sa mga naging malapit kong kaibigan. That's why sabi ko talaga, kung magkakaanak ako, alam ko na talaga kung ano yung pangalan niya, AJ. So he was Jose Alejandro. And siya is Michael Alejandro. So it's, tough for, of course, immediate family, but also their support system. But yes, the character of AJ lives on through AJ. Yan, coaching! Oh man, I miss coaching. I wish I could coach again. 2012. Started coaching talaga, teaching kids when I was, coaching per se, on the sidelines, fourth year high school. Well, technically, nag-varsity ako grade 6 to third year. Pero hindi ako yung pinakamagaling. Sakto lang, in some teams, I would start. In some teams, bangko ako. Pero yung meron yata akong leadership qualities na team captain ako sa mga teams. Marunong ako pumito Kung kailangan ng referee sa makaliga nyo, bawag niyo akong ismolin, kaya akong pumito. Promise! Bigyan niyo ako ng pito, ako tatawag ng kaya akong pumito. Kasi yan ang trabaho ng coach, pumipito sa mga practice. Okay, LeBron James perhaps the GOAT of our generation, this generation, basketball generation. This was in 2017. I remember exclusive interview ito. Exclusive ng ABS-CBN. Kasi, yung brand at that time, usually kasi kapag mga NBA players pupunta dito, limited ang oras nila. So, hindi nila pwedeng i-accommodate lahat. I remember the situation, isa lang yung pwede nilang i-accommodate for a 10-minute interview. At I was with ANC na at this time. At I was also doing work for Sports in Action. For the ones that were organizing it, it was sensible for them na, sige si Migs kasi siguro yung platform niya, dalawa. So yan, 10-minute interview, 10 questions. But yeah, Just to get a soundbite of LeBron in 2017, it was, wow, that was a big interview. And last time pumunta ni LeBron sa Pilipinas. Dream bigger. Alam mo yon. Kasi siguro, oo, di mo nga alam kung ano nangyayari. Go with the flow ka. Pero dream bigger. Parang kung ano yung tingin mong pwede mong gawin, isipin mo na siya. I-visualize mo na. Kasi kapag i-visualize mo siya, minamanifest mo na siya eh. And when you put it out to the world, mangyayari siya. Kasi ipuput mo yung lahat ng good energy mo into making those things happen. If I were to talk to a 10-year younger self, to whoever you are, you manifest it, you dream it, and then you live it.